In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer money into your Charles Schwab account. Once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click on Move Money and then click on Online Transfers here. Once you're on this page, you see there's an option to link an external account. Select that and then click Continue. And you'll see here, I already have 2 accounts connected, but if you want to connect a new account, click on this Add Account button. And then from here, you want to select your Charles Schwab account that you want to connect an external account to. So in my example, I'll go ahead and click on the Roth account. And then here, I'll click Continue and click Continue. And then from here, you want to select whether it's a checking or savings account. And I'll go ahead and select Savings and then click Yes here. And you'll see here that you'll be able to add your routing and account numbers. And once you do that, you should be good to go. Once you've connected your account, go ahead and click on Move Money and click on Online Transfer, and it should bring you back to this page. Click on the Cash Only option, and then from here, you can select the external account that you just connected. So in this example, I'll go ahead and select one of my checking accounts, and then here, I'll click on Individual. And then here, I'll just go ahead and put in $1 as an example, and you can click Continue. And once you're at this screen, you'll be able to see the summary of how much you're transferring and from which account that it's coming from and which account it's going to. And once you're ready, you can click Submit. That's the process of how you transfer money into your Charles Schwab account. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more.